Today, we're going to be diving into a common problem that Twitch users kind of encountered yesterday with Microsoft Edge. Now, if you're like me, my web browser updated yesterday, and I said that is normal until I went into the Twitch browser and I noticed that all my videos were not playing. I was getting a Twitch error. So I said, okay, let me explore the various cause that's causing this error that is causing this to not play videos onto the Twitch account. I had to go onto a Reddit post and they let me know that the red browser settings is the issue. There is a tracking prevention feature that they added on Microsoft Edge is the reason why the settings was able and the settings was interfering with the Twitch browser for not able to play the Twitch videos. Now, if you guys do know, streamers have a lot of ads when they're streaming, so this is kind of like a privacy setting that was interfering with the Twitch web browser. I will share the step by step solution that will help many users resolve this issue and get back maybe to streaming or get back to watching their favorite streamers. There's going to be three little dots onto that corner side. You're going to click on that and you're going to go to settings. You're going to go to privacy, search, and services. You're going to go to tracking prevention. If this thing is on, turn it off. For some particular reason, when it comes to Twitch, you're not be able to watch the videos on Twitch. On YouTube and other websites that I use daily had no issues today with this on. When I turn this off, my Twitch and all the rest of the videos and streamers that I watch decided to play back again. That is the main issue that's causing you not to watch Twitch videos on this Twitch website. Now, other people have suggested you have to go somewhere else in your settings and just put the Twitch link in that will provide services too. I don't know if that's going to be the same thing in the tracking prevention once it's on. I don't know, like you have to click on one of these areas to see to add a site to turn it off. You can do that too. Somebody said you can do that too and have this still on. I haven't tried it. I just turned it off. I've been using Microsoft Edge for the longest and I never had this issue. I don't know what this is. I'm not going to play around with it. I'm not going to try. It's basically saying like it shows you content like personalized ads or stuff like that. I don't know because Twitch has a lot of ads on their websites. I don't know if that is the issue. But YouTube has a tons of ads. X has a tons of ads. Bsky, Kick, all of them have ads. So I don't know what was the reason for Twitch, but that one little check mark is the reason why you can't watch Twitch videos. To recap, we identified the tracking prevention issue and provided a clear fix to enhance your Twitch experience where you can watch your favorite streamers or stream on Twitch. If you found this video helpful, make sure you check out other videos on your screen and leave your thoughts in the comments below.